Valhalla is now officially open at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It opened on the 12th of April for the first time since 2019 for some technical rehearsals where not everything would work. You weren't guaranteed a ride where every single effect worked. You weren't even guaranteed a ride on Valhalla that day, and it would just operate intermittently and yeah, for a couple of hours every day up until its official opening. And today, on the 10th of May, almost a month after that first technical rehearsal date, the ride is now official opened, and that was announced via a social media post on each platform and an advert instead of a separate official opening being announced, where everyone can go along and celebrate a grand opening with a big event on, which it's a shame that we're not getting that, to be honest, but yeah, it's good news, so it is what it is. Today was its media day, and during that media day, that is when the announcements went on. The tweet will be on the screen now, and then I'll probably put the trailer on, or the advert, or whatever you want to call it, because yeah, they posted another one of those onto YouTube, and yeah, really like it actually. Hopefully that gets put on the telly, so people now know that Valhalla is officially open. But yeah, I've been out all day, as you might be able to tell, not really in like a full-on sit-down video setup, but yeah, had to do a video when an official opening gets announced for Valhalla. So I guess that's now the end of this entire process of Valhalla being closed. That's been ongoing since November 2019. And yeah, I guess that brings us to the end, pretty much, of these Valhalla updates that myself and many other people have been doing throughout this whole period of it being closed, and obviously the technical rehearsals, it continued into them to see what was changing about the ride then. And yeah, it is quite sad that that's come to an end, to be honest, but what isn't sad that it's come to an end is the wait for Valhalla to be open. It's now open fully and pretty much back to normal now, it seems. So yeah, it should operate throughout the entire operating park day. Well, not like from 10 till 6 or 5 or whatever. It'll probably still open at 11 like it used to prior to 2019, if I remember rightly, which is fine. Grand National opens at 11, Valhalla opens at 11. You know, that's fair enough, that. And yeah, operates all day until park close, or maybe an hour before, because I know they do close some rides an hour before. But yeah, I assume, yeah, they should keep Valhalla open all day. What I will say, quite briefly, because I'll say it again in another video, because I'll probably round off the whole series with one final like Valhalla update, kind of getting on the ride now it's officially opened as soon as I can. But yeah, it's been a joy to follow this entire process. Didn't think it'd go on for as long as it has done, but yeah, that's all in the past now, and yeah, I've really enjoyed doing these updates. Met some amazing people through doing them. Obviously, the support on them has been incredible, so thank you very much once again. As I speak, it's not quite finished. On Saturday I filmed another one of these technical rehearsal updates, which is yet to be edited or uploaded, so stay tuned for that. That'll be the last one during its technical rehearsals. It was quite rushed because it only opened late in the day, and yeah, it was just rushed in general. But yeah, I'm going to upload it anyway now. And then I have a video in mind, which I guess I should start working on now, just celebrating the ride reopening again and the end of these updates. So yeah, there's still that to look forward to, so stay tuned. Fingers crossed as well that the soundtrack gets released soon. The full soundtrack by The Notable Stranger. I absolutely love listening to that in the queue line, in the area and in the ride when it's on loud enough. And yeah, either way, like the big ones got released, Icons got released, a lot of the Hot Ice stuff is on YouTube and Spotify as well, so yeah, hopefully the same goes for Valhalla. Now it's officially opened, and yeah, it'd just be nice to give it a full listen through, uninterrupted, without the sound of the public, the water, the boats, the conveyors, the effects. You know, just to appreciate the soundtrack, because it really does sound amazing in that ride, and hopefully now it's officially opened, it blasts out in the station and area, but can't guarantee that one. And yeah, Valhalla is just 100% back as it was before it closed in 2019. I mean, from what we've seen in the technical rehearsals, it's not looking promising, but we can say that we hope it's going to be more reliable. And yeah, we can just hope it operates well, effects are reliable, especially the basic ones like the hammers and some of the animatronics in there and the audio. It'd be a shame now it's officially open to have regular rides where those don't work. But we'll have to see what happens. It's just officially open today. I didn't know it were going to officially open today. I knew it was its media day, but yeah, didn't expect it to be official. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I will do another video next time I'm on park from Valhalla specifically, and yeah, that might be it then, but I guess that's all there is to say about Valhalla's grand opening. So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to check out all of the updates, and especially the technical rehearsals updates where we give our thoughts and reviews on the ride, and how it's progressed since it opened. Stay tuned for what will probably be the last Valhalla specific vlog, which is crazy, and I'll see you later. Also, I picked my camera up today, just thought I'd pop in and say, because when it first opened on the 12th, I was saying that my camera was broke, and it's now fixed, so there we go. Thought I'd update you on that.